Hi everybody, how you doing my holograms? In my next video, I actually found some real pretty good high quality bird nest soup, which is supposed to do amazing things for your health. Just Google it. I'm not making any claims. Google it for yourself and figure it out. But anyhow, if you like the next video, please subscribe and please give me that good old thumbs up and and of course a like to Click Clash Studios. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this. Here's how I found that bird's nest. Woo!